So you want to buy this car or any other car? Let me teach you how to make the money to buy it. So let's say this car will cost you around $29,000 and you have down payment of let's say you have $5,000 in the down payment, and you have good credit rating and you want it in 48 months to pay it. So you need about $800 every single month to do that. So $800 in the month, that's mean around $200 in the week you need to pay, and we multiply this number by 20. So you need $4,000 and you need to make from this $4,000 5% every single week to buy this car. Let me show you how. This is all the trade that I had made, and I made more than $400 from $1,000 in just 7 trades, and that's more than 40%, and all was winning trades. Yes, that's the put credit spreads. Let me show you how. And this is the spreadsheet for all my trades, and as you can see, this is the date I open it, and this is the ticker symbol. I would do it on SPY, and my strategy is put credit spreads, the strike price, the number of contract, the expiration date, the premium I had collected, and the close date, and how much money I need to pay to close it, and how much money I get eventually. So in the start of this trading day, I opened my application to see how my put credit spreads had done, and as you can see, if I want to close the put credit spreads that I had opened, I need to pay around, let's say on the market price, I need to pay, we will hit review, I need to pay around $50, and I got from it $65, and that will be only $15 profit, so I don't want it. So this is the end of this trading day, and as you can see, the price of SPY had gone up, and if I want to close it right now, I need to pay, let's see, I want to buy to close, and if I want to close it right now, I need to pay around $20, and yes, let's see, yes, $20, and that's very good for me, and that's more than 50%, and of course I will do that, and I will close this trade. I will hit paper trade, and as you can see, it will be, yes, it filled immediately. So now we have more than $1,300 and we can sell 13 contracts. So I want to make 5% of it, and that's mean everything more than $65 will be very good for me. And now I am going to sell a new put credit spread so I can make more money. As you can see, the price of SPY is $742. I open the option chain, I choose the 7-day time so I can make more money. I choose the 719, 718, very safe put credit spreads, and I sell 13 contract, as you can see on the market price, and if I do that, I will get $78 in credit, and that's very good. Very good, more than $65, and the break-even price is $718, and that's very safe and very far from the price of SPY right now. So I will hit paper trade, and as you can see, it filled immediately, and we made $78 right now. As you can see, yes, we made $78, and this is the put credit spreads. So please like and subscribe to make more money.